The next several Movement Mondays are not going to be focusing on a specific exercise. They're going to be combining a lot of the exercises we've already talked about into movement or muscle group focused workouts. So first we're going to start off today with some of my favorite core exercises in a very effective abdominal core focused workout. The first exercise are stretch outs here on the gymnastics rings. You can use suspension trainers, ab wheels work as well, but I like using this over ab wheels because you can adjust the resistance on your core by placing your body either forward, which removes resistance, or stepping backwards, which adds extra resistance. Your goal is to stretch out to the point where your abs are just about not able to support your lower back. Pause for a moment and then bring yourself back in for 6 reps. Then we have dip bar knee raises. You can also do this on gymnastics rings if you want a little bit of an extra challenge. But the idea here is that you're bringing up your knees up in front of you while allowing your back to stabilize your position here. Try not to let your hips kick backwards as you lift up, and you're using your arms, your upper body, and your shoulders for stability. This also has a lot of good carryover towards using your upper body in a more stable way for other exercises like pull-ups, dips, handstands, and so on. We're doing this for 12 reps. Now the third exercise are sit-ups on the gymnastics rings. This doesn't look like a whole lot because a lot of the actual resistance is generated by how hard you're pressing down into the rings. Starting off with the rings roughly about the level of your knees, and then you press down into them as hard as you can as you lay back down, and then sit up in a smooth gradual motion, avoiding any sort of jerking fast motions as you come up. Get a little bit of a stretch in the hamstrings if you like. Exhale on the way up, and then repeat the process going back down. You can also try and bring a little bit of extra resistance to your abdominals by pressing your heels into the floor as you're pushing yourself on up. And this one here is done for 8 reps. After that, jump right back in and start another round into the stretch outs on the gymnastics rings. So the whole workout is 4 rounds of 6 stretch outs, 12 dip knee raises, and 8 ring sit-ups with one right after the other. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Till then, be fit, live free.